Now it's your turn to graph a horizontal line and a vertical line, and to state the slope of each of these lines. Stop this video, take a moment to write out your answers to these problems in your lecture outline packet, and then turn the video back on to check your answers. The first equation we're going to graph is y equals -3, which we know will be a horizontal line. We'll scale and label these axes, and then we'll draw this horizontal line. So put a y-axis and an x-axis in this grid. And I'll label these with x and y, and I'll mark off 2 and 4 on each the x and y axis at the second and fourth tick marks, and then I'll mark off -2 and -4 as well to create that scale. So I need y equals -3. I can go down to the point 0, -3, and now I know that for any x value, the y value is going to be -3. So I have an infinite number of points essentially going across there. So I'm going to graph that line then. I have the horizontal line that I'm graphing where y is -3 and x can be any value. I'll put arrows on it, and I can label it if I want. I'll write y equals -3. The slope of this line I know to be 0. The rise would be 0 if I were to calculate that between 2 points, and 0 divided by a real number would give me 0. The second equation that we're going to graph is given by x equals 1, and we know that this will be a vertical line. So I'm going to draw on those axes and then scale and label them into this grid. So I'll draw the y-axis and the x-axis, and I'll label them with the variables and then give them a scale. So I'll mark off at 2 and 4 tick marks for x, and 2 and 4 tick marks for y, and then -2 and -4 as well on both x and y. Now we'll go to the point 1, 0, and I know that for any y value, the x value is going to be 1, creating this vertical line with that x-intercept of 1, 0. And now I'll put arrows on it and write its equation next to it. The last thing I want to do is find that slope, and the slope of that vertical line is undefined. If I tried to take 2 points and calculate rise over run, I'd be trying to do division by 0 and it'd be undefined.